Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first let's get started with our eyes. On the left hand side we're going to curve this line around, spiraling that through, bringing that in towards that line on the top. Let's step over on the right hand side now. We're going to line that up with the same height and we're just going to replicate that. Let's thicken up this line on the top now. So from that corner, we're going to curve this around and through, blending that in together on the line on the side. Now in the top left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that highlight on our eye. And then we're going to move across on a diagonal, drawing in another circle, smaller for that second highlight. Now let's color in the pupil black. Let's come in towards the middle now. For the nose, we're going to draw in a small curved line pointing down. And then moving down for the mouth, we're going to replicate that, just making that bigger. Let's come up now and draw in the hair. So in the center of our eyes, slightly over to the left, we're going to curve this line up, down, and over towards that right eye. From that point, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Flipping over on the left-hand side, from that point, we're going to curve this line up, down, and through towards the left. And then again, from that point, we're just going to curve this back up towards the top. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over towards the side. And then again, from here, just bringing this over and through towards the top. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line further out towards the left. And then from this point, we're going to bring this line in, up, and then back over towards the center. Let's move over again. On the right, we're going to curve this line out. And then from here, we're just going to arch this line up and through towards the middle. Coming underneath on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line arching over on both sides for the bottom of the hair underneath there. Let's draw in the shape of the face. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down and in. We're going to do the same on the right. And we're just going to end it at roughly the same height. Now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the eyebrows. On the bottom here, we're going to curve this line over, extending that underneath the hair. And then from that point again, we're just going to curve this line up and across. Let's come underneath the bangs here. So we're going to curve this line over, stepping up, replicating that, arching that out. Let's come over on the side. We're going to draw in a curved line that comes in towards both sides of the face. And now stepping over behind this, let's draw in the ears. So we're going to draw in a half circle on each side. Just drawing that at the same height. Let's add in some details here now. So we're going to curve this line over on both sides on the top. And then dropping below that, we're going to curve this around and then back in. Let's finish off the rest of the hair. On the left-hand side above our ear, we're going to arch this line up and in towards the top. And then we're going to move over on the right from that corner, curving this over and through towards the middle. Let's move up. From the center here, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches across. And then from that point, we're going to arch this line around. And we're going to bring this through on the side. And then we're going to do the same on the right, curving this around. And then arching that in on a diagonal towards that right ear. Let's come down and draw in the body. So for the neck, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines joining at a point in the center. On the inside, we're just going to draw in two straight lines that come up on either side. On both sides, we're going to draw in a small curved line coming in towards the middle. And then we're going to step up and replicate that again, just leaving a small gap. Let's come down and draw on the strings of the hoodie. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a small curved line. Coming down for that string, we're going to arch this line down, up, and back through towards the top. Let's close off the hood behind. So we're gonna arch this around and in towards that string, extending that through underneath. And then we're gonna flip over on the right-hand side and just replicate that. Now let's come down for the jacket. On the left-hand side, we're gonna draw in a straight line that comes down. We're gonna do the same on the right, and we're just gonna end that at the same height. Let's flare this out on the side now. So we're gonna curve this up on a slight diagonal on both sides. And then from that corner, we're just gonna curve this over and through towards the top. Now for the arm, we're gonna bring this line out and down towards the bottom. And then we're gonna do the same on the right, and we're just gonna end that at the same height. Now from the side here, let's curve this over and through towards the inside. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on the right, curving that over and across. Let's close off the wrist. So we're gonna bring this line down, across, and then back up on the side. And then we're gonna do the same on the left as we come over and through. Let's add in some details in the jacket now. So from this corner, we're gonna curve this line up on a diagonal. Do the same on the right. Let's draw in a small detail line coming underneath, bringing that through on a diagonal. Let's draw on the collar of the jacket now. So we're gonna curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just gonna bring this line straight up towards the hood, connecting that together. Let's come down now. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines across. We're going to flip over on the left-hand side and just replicate that. Let's move in underneath on the bottom. We're going to curve this line across. Stepping over now on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the inside. Let's draw in the buttons. So we're going to draw 3 in total. So we're going to draw in 2 circles as we come down the strip on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do 1 more as we come down on the very bottom. Now as we come across, we're going to draw in a straight line where each of the buttons are on the right-hand side. And now let's draw in the pocket. So we're going to curve this line down, across, and then back up on both sides. Let's draw in a small circle now for the button. Now let's draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. Let's close off the rest of the hoodie underneath. We're going to draw in a curved line coming up and then dropping below. Let's replicate that one more time. Let's move down for the hand. We're going to arch this line around and up for the thumb. Let's move over, curving this over and through towards the top. Now let's come across again, curving this around and through towards the wrist. Let's draw on the leg. So right in the center, we're just going to draw on a curved line from left to right. Stepping over from the middle on the left-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same, leaving a gap as we step across on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's flare this out on either side now, curving that across for the bottom of the pant leg. And then now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming up towards the jacket. Let's step up again. We're going to draw another curved line from left to right. Let's step up now. We're going to draw in an arch line on either side for the pocket in our pants. Let's come down for the shoe. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on either side, ending that at the same height. Now from the inside, we're going to curve this around, up and through towards the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoe, curving this around and through towards the side. Let's step up for the tongue of the shoe, curving that line over. Moving through again, bringing this out and up towards the pants there. And then we're just going to draw in a small curved line right in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.